Alright, so I put the exhaust on this car a while back, maybe, I don't know, we'll just say a couple weeks. And then after that, obviously the car looks different from when the clips of me installing it. Like this now matches everything else. So yeah, so that's it right there. It's really just ISR catback exhaust, and then I did try to get a Megan Y-Pipe, but that was on back order. So I had a spare stock Y-Pipe, so that's, I just installed that on there. I had previously had a straight pipe from the cat back with a 3-inch exhaust. It's pretty much blast pipes, so I had to get that replaced because then I got it cut off again, and I got a ticket for it. But there should be a clip somewhere that might previously had a straight pipe from the cat back with a 3-inch exhaust. It's pretty much blast pipes, so I had to get that replaced because then I got it cut off again. This car's nice. I can still beat it with that, and that's a DE, not an HR. So with that being said, probably wondering why the Xenon stands, because I'm about to give myself a little exhaust. Just realized this, but it's stock. Look at this. This is from the dealership. Dented. Bought this a long time ago though, so I don't know if they'll replace it for me. I really don't care. It's probably gonna get scratched up anyway. I do need to replace it though, because the little flex pipe area, whatever, is gone. Well, not gone, but it's scratched up. It's a ISR. No, I'm just playing. It's an ISR. I wanted the titanium one, but it was sold out. Well, I guess that's it. It was just sold out. And it's still cheaper than a Tomei too. So, but it was sold out. Needing exhaust. That's what I got. Now, let's do a little upskirt. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going on this side. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see it. Well, let me grab my flashlight on my phone. Bam. Yeah, it ain't great, but yeah, this shit look rusted. Whew, hopefully it's not gonna be hard. But yeah, so I got that white pipe over there a long time ago, because I knew one day I was gonna have to replace it. But if you can see that, it's welded, so it's pretty much a one piece, like some one-piece wheels. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah, so I'm about to take this off. Hopefully it works. Alright, little update. So instead of taking off these rubber hanger things, whatever, I just took off the whole hanger. There, this was the last one. Just unbolted them all. And this one right here, sorry. And yeah, everything else was pretty easy. It wasn't as rusted as I thought. Look at that, some battle scars, you know. It's all for clout. Just to be damn, what the hell? Work. Yeah, that sucked. So, this other side.